What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone run a lot better, faster, and smoother. Basically just cleaning the iPhone's RAM. So what you're going to need is a home button. I'm going to show you how to get this real quick. Settings, accessibility, touch, assistive touch. Just enable it. So what you're going to want to do is volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. Now you're going to get this. We're going to press that. We're going to hold the home button. Whether you have this or an iPhone with an actual home button, it works either way. Now you'll know it works if you come to your web page and it reloads. Right now, for example, if I go into Safari, you can see the page does not load, right? We'll do it one more time. Volume up, volume down, hold the power button, hold the home button, passcode, and now when we go into Safari, as you can see, it reloads the page. That's how you clean your iPhone RAM. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one.